All right, so we are now moving on from head text to look at paragraph text. Now you might be wondering why we need paragraph text. So if we look at some text which is entered between the body text, so let's include some random text. Let's save this and refresh it. So you can see the text look pretty normal. Now if we surround this line with the paragraph text. So I hope you remember how to include the paragraph text. So for the for that we just have to put P for paragraph tag inside the angle brackets, and I will just copy this link and I will replace it inside the paragraph tags. Let's save this and refresh this on our web page. So if we look at the text does not look different at all. The paragraph text does not restyle the text. So what's the point? Now let's go back to the normal text. I will remove the paragraph text from here and now what if want to put some text on the next line down? Well, you would have to you, so that we could just press enter and we can put some random line on the text line. So let's enter some random line. Let's save this and reload it on the browser. So the line breaks as there are no new line in our text editor, but actually they don't become new line on the website itself. So we have to manually put new line in our web pages. Now there are two way of doing that, and I will show you both of them now. The first of the for the first one is to surround it this two line with the paragraph tag. So we will put paragraph tag around this two line, copy this line and place it inside the paragraph tag, and I will do the same thing for the next line. Let's save this and reload it on the web page. So you will see that this is our first paragraph and this is our second paragraph. So they both are appearing as different line on our web pages. So the first use of paragraph tag is to give us a new line, and it's also make our code look better because these two line we can clearly see that we expect these two lines be separated, and also we can apply different styling formatting to these two paragraph as well as that we are going to see in the next video. Okay, so the second way to put the text on a new line is using break line. Okay, so let's include a new paragraph. Let's say this is line 3. Let's save this line, and I want to break or I want to include a new line from the middle of this paragraph. So for that I am going to use br tag, which stand for break line. I will save this and I will refresh it on my browser, so you can notice that the line we got new line from and break tag, and also you will notice that it's not similar with the paragraph tag because we are not getting a new paragraph with some space in between. But yeah, our text is coming on a new line. Also you will notice that we have encountered that this br is the first tag which does not have closing tag associated with it's on this. So br tag is all BR tag, sorry, just wait. BR tag is called as self-closing tag, and in some cases you might know they are using BR tag like this. So basically this was the syntax in HTML, which is ancient version of HTML, but nowadays in HTML5 we don't use syntax like this. So I hope the use of br tag and paragraph tag is pretty much clear to you. So in the next video we will see how we can customize the text to change its look and style with the paragraph